Let's go! Hey guys, it's Fluffy.
It's Fluffy.
And Yai.
And it's Fluffy Yay.
And today, what are we gonna do?
Cupcakes!
No, we're gonna make a birthday cake.
Let's make a birthday cake.
Your third birthday?
Yeah.
Tell them we have chocolate.
We have chocolates.
We have frosting.
Frosting.
We have sprinkles.
We have sprinkles.
We have more sprinkles.
More sprinkles.
And I don't know what the rest is called. Okay?
Make cupcakes.
Cupcakes. Of water.
Yes.
Pour it. Okay. Oh, it's at a half cup. I'll buy you a new one. Okay, put it. Say 1/2 cup.
We're gonna make a cupcakes.
Okay. Look, we need 3 eggs.
Okay. 3 eggs. Yes.
You're not supposed to poke it, but okay, that'll work. 1. A huevo.
We make.
You gonna help me mix?
Yes.
Okay, mix them.
Okay. Okay.
Doing great. Okay, my turn.
Your turn, Yay. Your turn. Your turn.
Okay, your turn. That's great.
Ah!
You have to put this in there. Help me. Thank you. Did you close it? The room. Chocolate, 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 chocolate. Mix this.
Yes.
Ready? You think it's ready?
Yes.
You wanna taste it?
Yes. No. No. What says it?
Tastes weird. You wanna spray this?
Yes.
Spray it on the pan. Oop. You gotta put it on the sides. Like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, baby. Can you say yeah, baby?
Yeah. Okay.
That was good, Hugs.
We should. Ah, where's the spoon?
Yeah.
Pink one.
Pink one.
Okay.
We have decided to sprinkle some on before we put it in the oven. Go.
What color is that?
Purple.
Okay. Awesome.
We're getting better at this.
We're not done.
Oh,
Okay.
I'm gonna do one more.
We're gonna put
what
one
color do you
more.
want?
Yes.
What color?
Ready?
Yes.
Last one. All right. There we go. Show my assistant. Say hello, guys.
Yeah, guys.
It's in the oven.
Yeah.
Say done and done.
And done. And done.
Oh. All right, Nugs.
Sorry.
All right, I think it should be good now. Grab your spatula
Thank you.
and your frosting.
Yes.
Right, grab some.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
It's still too hot, but we don't care, right? It's coming out. Love that. It's so pretty, right?
Oh. Want me some more? Okay.
See if you know how to do it. Oh, you're doing great. Put it over here.
Come on. Come on.
Come on. Okay, that's enough. Look,
Okay,
that's enough, right?
that's enough.
Okay. Okay, what color sprinkles do you want to put?
That one.
Green.
Two color
Here,
green.
go. Oh,
Yes.
you have to do it like this. Look. See? So it can go all over the cake.
Okay, let's do otro.
Let's do otro.
Yo-yo. Do yo-yo.
Oh, okay, that was better. You want to do flowers?
Yes, flowers.
Go
Two
for it.
flowers. Okay.
Go. Teamwork makes the dream work, correct? Was it good?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, there you go. And do some dots.
Yes.
Go for
Dots.
it. Dots. It looks so good.
Oh. Let me try.
Is it good?
Yeah.
All right. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Next.
Next.
Let's put here. My turn.
Okay. My turn. My turn. My turn.
I'm better than you.
My turn.
Okay, you want to put some fish
Yes.
or hearts?
Yes. Heart.
Hearts. Okay.
We open it.
Okay, go. I'm gonna write happy birthday, Nugs.
Oh, it's blue.
It's blue, right?
Yes.
It's pretty?
Yes. Look. It's J.
No, it's a B.
B. And B.
It's H,
H.
B,
B.
D.
D.
Yeah. It says happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me.
Yeah.
Yes. It's for me.
Yeah.
It's not for mommy. It's not for guys. It's not for papas.
It's not
It's
for
not
anyone.
for Wells. It's
No.
not for rice. It's not for gas. It's not for.
Mm-mm. It's not for anyone, just Nugs, right?
It's not for ways.
It's just puppies?
Just puppies.
Okay. You heard it here, folks. It says happy birthday, Nugs.
Happy birthday to Knox.
Yeah. Candles?
Yes. Let's put candles.
You put them wherever you want.
Okay. I've turned 3.
She's turning 3.
Huh?
How old are you turning?
It's 3.
3.
Yes.
Like this?
3.
Oh, there you go. 3.
Okay. 3.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to Sophie. Happy birthday to Sophie. Oh, Fofi. Happy birthday, dear Fofi. Happy birthday to you, Fofi. Make a wish. You're doing great. Oh, babas. Oops. High five.
Try again.
Again?
Yes.
Okay, we'll do it in a little bit.
No, try it.
I want to try it.
No, don't try it.
Mm.
No.
Did that hurt? Did that hurt?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to Fofi.
No,
Happy,
no, your turn.
happy birthday to
Yay.
Yai. Happy birthday
No.
to Yai.
No, no. Happy birthday to Fofi.
Okay.
Happy
Birthday to Fofi. Happy birthday, dear Bo.
No, you turn. Happy birthday.
Dear.
No. That's your turn. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Fluffy. Happy birthday to Fluffy. Happy birthday to Fluffy. Happy birthday to Fluffy.
Happy birthday, dear Fluffy. Happy birthday to you. Yay! High five.
I turn.
Now try it.
Huh?
You have to try the cake. More.
No more.
You didn't like it? I was pretty damn good.
Thanks.
You say thank you
Thank you.
for watching.
Thank you for watching
Say subscribe
the channel.
to your channel. Subscribe.
And channel.
Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Like this.
You say make sure you subscribe.
That's you, Sky.
Subscribe to Yagi.
Sky for you.
Bye.
Bye.